It happens when you least expect it. You're walking into a room, having a totally normal conversation with a friend, or just stirring your morning coffee. And then, bam, it hits you. A tidal wave of familiarity so powerful it stops you in your tracks. Every detail is suddenly, intensely, impossibly familiar. The exact way the light is slanting through the window, the half-finished joke your friend is telling, the specific pattern of the coffee swirling in your cup. You've been here before. You've lived this exact moment. You are 100% certain of it, but you haven't. You know, logically, that this is a brand new, unique moment in time. So what is this feeling? Is it a memory of a dream? A message from a past life? Is it, like the movies tell us, a literal glitch in the Matrix? Or is it something even weirder? Your brain making a ridiculously human, file-saving error. Let's be honest, there is no human experience quite as strange as déjà vu. It's a French term that literally means already seen, but that doesn't even begin to capture the sheer weirdness of it. Déjà vu doesn't politely knock on the door of your perception. It kicks the door clean off its hinges, runs into the middle of your brain, rearranges all the furniture for about 3 seconds, and then vanishes without explaining anything, leaving you standing there going, What was that? It's so powerful and so strange that for most of human history, our only explanations were supernatural. We thought it was evidence of psychic abilities, a premonition of the future, a memory from a past life bubbling up to the surface. And in our modern age, we have the ultimate cool, sci-fi explanation for it, thanks to the movie The Matrix. You know the scene. Neo sees a black cat walk by, and then a second later, he sees the exact same black cat walk by in the exact same way. It's a moment of déjà vu. And what does Trinity say? A déjà vu is usually a glitch in the Matrix. It happens when they change something. This idea captured our imagination so perfectly because it feels right. The experience of déjà vu is so jarring, so out of place. It feels less like a trick of the mind and more like a crack in the very fabric of reality. It feels like the simulation we're all living in has just bugged out for a second, accidentally repeating a line of code, and for a brief moment, you were the one who noticed. It's a deeply compelling and slightly terrifying idea. You're not just misremembering, you're seeing the scaffolding of the universe. It all sounds incredibly cool, mysterious, and profound. A hint that there's something more to reality than what we see. But here's the weird part. Scientists, the people who are supposed to ruin all the fun, think they actually know what's going on. And it has nothing to do with past lives, computer simulations, or cats. The truth, as always, is way, way weirder and more brilliant. To really understand the scientific theory, we have to first respect just how powerful the feeling of déjà vu is. We need to reinforce why the glitch in the Matrix idea feels so real in the first place. This isn't just a vague feeling of, this seems kind of familiar. That's a different, more common experience. True déjà vu is a high-fidelity 4K surround sound level of familiarity. It's the absolute certainty that this exact moment, in all its mundane detail, has already happened. It's the specific way your friend mispronounces a word. It's the exact number of ice cubes clinking in your glass. It's the pattern of raindrops on the car window. The feeling is so strong that it often comes with a bizarre sense of precognition, a fleeting, intense feeling that you know exactly what's going to happen next. Your friend is about to say the word pineapple. That car is about to honk. She's going to trip on that crack in the pavement. Now, you almost never actually predict the future correctly, but the feeling that you can is a hallmark of the experience. Imagine this scenario. You're on a vacation in a country you've never been to before. You're wandering down a side street in a city of millions, a place you couldn't possibly have ever seen. You walk into a random, dusty little bookstore to get out of the rain. And the moment you step inside, the wave hits you. The smell of old paper, the squeak of the floorboards, the grumpy-looking cat sleeping on a stack of books in the corner. The way the shopkeeper is adjusting his glasses. You've been here. You know this place. It's impossible, but your brain is screaming at the top of its lungs that this is a memory. That's the core of the paradox. Your rational mind knows it's impossible. Your memory-sensing mind is absolutely convinced it's true. And the conflict between these two certainties creates that famous, unsettling, uncanny feeling. It's not a cozy, warm feeling of nostalgia. It's an error message from reality. A deep, gut-level feeling that something is profoundly wrong. So if it's not a memory and it's not a ghost, what is it? Here's the plot twist, the masterful reveal that is both simpler and more complex than any supernatural theory. Déjà vu isn't a memory of the past. It's a glitch in how your brain processes the present. Okay, to understand this, we need to use a simple analogy. Think of your brain as a hyper-advanced biological computer that's constantly recording and processing the world around you. Every second, information floods in through your senses, your eyes, your ears, your nose. This data stream is sent to two places at roughly the same time. First, it goes to one part of your brain for immediate, conscious processing. This is your brain's "what is happening right now" department. It's what allows you to be present and react to the world. Simultaneously, that same stream of information gets sent to a different region, primarily in the temporal lobes, to be encoded as a memory. This is your brain's save to hard drive function. It's the system that takes this present moment and files it away for later retrieval. Normally, this is a perfectly synced, seamless process. You experience the moment, and as you're experiencing it, it's being written into your memory banks. It's a beautiful, efficient system. But like any complex system, sometimes there's a hiccup, a tiny, millisecond-long delay. Leading theories on déjà vu suggest that it's a momentary brain fart where these two streams get desynced. For a split second, the signal going to your save-to-hard drive memory system arrives a fraction of a second before the signal gets to your "what is happening right now" conscious awareness system. Let me put it another way. Imagine you go online and order a pizza. But through some bizarre glitch in the delivery network, you get the email receipt for the pizza 1 millisecond before the delivery guy actually rings your doorbell. For a brief, confusing moment, your brain is holding a receipt for an event that it hasn't consciously experienced yet. So when the doorbell finally rings and the pizza, the actual, real-time event, arrives, your conscious brain experiences it for the first time. But another part of your brain immediately flags it and goes, "Hold on a minute. I've already got the receipt for this. This pizza has already been processed. I must have eaten this pizza before." That's déjà vu. Your conscious mind is experiencing something for the very first time, but your memory system is screaming, "Duplicate file. We've already saved this moment." It's a file-saving error, a tiny temporary lag in your own neural processing that creates the powerful illusion of reliving a memory that was never actually formed. And this is where we get to the really brilliant part, that weird, uncanny, glitchy feeling that comes with it. What is that? Well, that feeling is the sensation of a brief, intense civil war happening inside your own head. See, you have your temporal lobe, the part of your brain that handles memory, shouting, "I'm telling you, this is an old memory. I have the file right here, stamped and dated." It's absolutely convinced. But at the exact same time, you have another, more rational part of your brain, your frontal regions, like the prefrontal cortex. This is the brain's CEO, the fact-checker. Its job is to make sense of the world and perform reality checks. So while the temporal lobe is freaking out, the frontal lobe is calmly cross-referencing all your actual memories and going, "No, that's incorrect. There is no record of us ever being in this dusty Portuguese bookstore before. All of our memories are accounted for. This is a new event. That strange, unsettling feeling of déjà vu is the physical sensation of these two massive brain systems being in direct logical conflict. It's your brain fact-checking itself in real time and finding a glaring contradiction. The weirdness is your consciousness experiencing a bug report submitted by its own operating system. It's the feeling of your brain saying both, "I know this," and "I don't know this," at the exact same time. This also explains why déjà vu happens more often when you're a teenager or young adult, and why it can be triggered by stress or fatigue. Just like a computer is more likely to glitch when it's running too many programs or overheating, your brain's complex information filing system is more prone to these little timing errors when it's tired, stressed, or still developing. So, in the end, déjà vu isn't a supernatural event, but it is a profound one. It's not a window into a past life, but it is a rare and fascinating glimpse into the staggeringly complex mechanics of your own consciousness. It's a powerful reminder that our smooth, continuous, seamless perception of reality is a magnificent illusion, a story being constantly written and edited by the 3-pound universe between our ears. By studying this momentary error, neuroscientists get an invaluable look at how the system is supposed to work perfectly the other 99.9% of the time. By watching it break, they learn how it runs. So no, déjà vu isn't a glitch in the matrix. It's more like a typo in the source code of you. It's your brain accidentally hitting save before hitting new. And for one brief, strange, and brilliant moment, you get to feel the ghost of a memory that was never actually born. What is the most vivid or weirdest déjà vu experience you've ever had? Describe the scene in the comments below. And if you want to debug more of your brain's weirdly brilliant glitches, make sure to subscribe to the Weirdly Brilliant channel. Thanks for watching.